Put your hands down. Do not tell me what to do.
I know. Can you wait till the...
No! Back up! Back up!
Welcome to American Copwatch. Today, we unravel a dramatic and intense confrontation that unfolded in Greenville County, South Carolina.
And I will talk to you.
Okay, don't walk away from me.
Don't fucking grab me.
That I can't guarantee.
Don't fucking grab me.
Hey.
On the morning of October 20th, deputies were called to the Spinx convenience store at the intersection of Pelham and Batesville roads. Their mission? To collect video evidence of a shoplifting incident that had occurred earlier that day. The suspect, identified as Sean Theodore Kaiser, was no stranger to the Greenville County Sheriff's office. Earlier that morning, deputies responded to a call involving Kaiser in a non-violent domestic dispute with his mother. Kaiser, intoxicated and desperate for more beer, attempted to take his mother's purse, causing her to flee the house. Recognizing Kaiser from the surveillance footage, a female deputy arrived at his residence.
Yeah? Okay. So what's going to happen next? I'm going to read you your Miranda rights. All right? Because I have suspicion that you stole from them this morning. Okay?
When confronted, Kaiser refused to comply and retreated
I'm going
inside.
to ask you some questions. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Hey, where are you going? Hey. No, you're not. Hey, listen.
Inside, tensions
Okay.
escalated.
Grab me.
Do not walk away from me or I will put hands
I
on
will
you.
respect you, and I will talk to you.
Okay, don't walk away from me.
Don't fucking grab me.
That I can't guarantee.
Don't fucking grab me.
Hey.
Don't touch me.
Come back down here right now.
Don't touch me.
Kaiser warned the deputy, adding,
I am stronger than you.
despite the deputy's attempts to de-escalate the situation and place him in handcuffs, Kaiser turned violent, grabbing and shoving the deputy.
Look at me. Stop. Look at me. Wait. Stop.
I'm asking you to
Stop.
do this now.
Wait.
After a struggle, the deputy drew her firearm. Kaiser's mother, trying to intervene, faced the deputy's commands to back away.
You put your hands down! Hey, you back up! Put your hands down!
You want to shoot me? You fucking shoot me.
Put your hands down. Do not tell me what to do.
I know. Can you wait till the...
No! Back up! Back up!
In the confusion, Kaiser charged at the deputy. Tragically, a shot was fired, striking Kaiser's mother, who was standing behind him.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
You fucking hurt my mother. You fucking hurt my mother.
No!
You don't hurt my mother.
Back up!
You don't hurt my mother. You don't hurt my mother.
Fuck up, motherfucker. Hey, put your fucking hands up.
You want to punch me, motherfucker?
Are you alright? Are you okay?
I'm not shot.
Kaiser's mother was hospitalized for a month and a half after the incident. The state law enforcement division launched an investigation, withholding the deputy's identity.
Hey, you back up! Put your hands down!
You want to shoot me? You fucking shoot me.
In the aftermath, Kaiser was charged with resisting arrest with assault and battery of a high and aggravated nature on an officer, alongside a shoplifting charge.
You don't hurt my mother.
Fuck up. Put your fucking hands up.
You want to punch me, motherfucker?
Alright, listen. I got his hands. Put him in cuffs, okay?
Yes, sir.
You're alright.
He was evaluated at a hospital before being taken to the Greenville County Detention Center. Under South Carolina law, resisting arrest with assault is a serious offense, often resulting in significant penalties. Assault and battery of a high and aggravated nature can lead to extensive jail time, especially when involving a law enforcement officer. This intense and tragic incident underscores the volatile nature of domestic disputes and the dangers faced by law enforcement officers daily.
fucking hurt my mother? You fucking hurt my mother?
No!
Don't hurt my mother.
Back up.
You don't hurt my mother.
Stay tuned to American Cop Watch for more real-life stories of law enforcement encounters and the legal implications that follow. If you found this story compelling, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates from American Cop Watch. Stay informed, stay safe.